Dear brother, it's very nice to meet you here, and I hope one day we will see you in Romania for dawah. Myself, I was traveling long time back in Turkey as a tourist. In the night, by mistake, I missed my way. I stop somebody in the street and I tell him, can you tell me where is this address? I show him the brochure of the hotel, and he said, there is not any hotel in this village, but please, I want you to be my guest. I go to his home. It was dark. I don't see, only the front door was open, and I saw inside 5 children and 2 old ladies. I said the place is safety, and we go inside. I was with my wife. That man, he invited us for a very simple dinner. The way how he treat us, we feel very comfortable. And then he said, you sleep in this place, we have the other place. Next day, when I wake up, I search for him to tell him thank you very much and to continue my journey. When I went out from the door, it was daytime now. I can see. There was not other room. That room was all his house. And this brother with his 5 children, with his mother and his wife, he was sleeping under the tree. And they was cold, they was freezing. I was shocked. I go to him and I tell him, are you crazy? Why you do that? He looked to my face and he was smiling, and he said to me, no, I'm not crazy, but you are a travelers. And I have to give you whatever I have because I am a Muslim. When that brother, he said I am a Muslim, his face was shining like a nar. And I was very much shocked. My wife, she started to cry. I said, look, what do you know about Islam and how this guy is treating us? He said, I don't have very much knowledge about Islam, but you can read the book of Quran and you can read the Sunnah, and then you will know more about Islam. Immediately, I go to the library, I buy Quran, I buy Hadith, and I start to read. I read continuously for about 2 months. After 2 months, my heart was opening, and I say, Shahadu ilaha illallah, Shahadu Muhammad, and I became Muslim on 17 January 1993. Alhamdulillah. قل هذه سبيلي أدعو إلى الله أدعو